programming isn't all about flowcharts, algorithms, and code. One must get to know the hardware also. It is the capability to write codes and solve puzzles, along with an excellent laptop, which is crucial. A unique way to stay ahead in the programming world is to make certain that you have the most reliable laptop, which will assist you in transforming your thoughts into a reality without delay. In short, the ideal laptop speeds up tasks and processes, which helps to boost your productivity. In today's video, we're going to show you some of the best laptops on the market. As always, links to all featured products are mentioned in the description below for more information and the latest pricing. The Apple 13.3-inch MacBook Air highlights a Retina display with True Tone technology, which automatically adapts the white balance to match the color temperature of the neighboring light. With over 4 million pixels, the 13.3-inch Retina display stars a 2560 by 1600 screen resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio for 227 pixels per inch. The display also emphasizes up to 48% more color than the prior generation. The display glass goes directly to the edge of your screen for 50% fewer bezels. The combined Touch ID sensor enables you to unlock your MacBook Air with your fingerprint and verify your identity. You can also make secure online purchases with Apple Pay. Paired with the Apple T2 security chip, the T2 Security Enclave guards your Touch ID information and also guarantees that software loaded during the boot process has not been tampered with. The T2 also stars an SSD controller with on-the-fly data encryption for everything stocked on the SSD for a secure boot process. Microsoft blends the portability of a tablet and the performance of a laptop with the Surface Pro 6. Weighing just 1.75 pounds and measuring just 0.33 inches thin, the Surface Pro 6 decks an 8th gen Coffee Lake 1.9 GHz Intel Core i7-8650U processor into a magnesium casing with a platinum finish. Utilize the multi-position kickstand and the Surface Pro type cover to turn the Surface Pro into a laptop. The refreshed Surface Pen provides up to 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, while the Surface Dial enables for on-screen interactions. The Surface Pro 6 highlights a 12.3-inch PixelSense display with a 2736 by 1824 screen resolution and a 3:2 aspect ratio. The display also carries a 10-point touch so that you can take full benefit of the multi-touch gestures included in Windows 10 Home. If you desire to play video on an external display, you can do so utilizing the mini DisplayPort output. If you need to work on Visual Studio, Android Studio, or PostgreSQL, then ACER Aspire E15 is the most suitable laptop for programmers in 2020. This laptop has 12 hours of battery life and 7th generation i5 processor, along with 8 GB of RAM and a lightning-fast solid-state drive of 256 GB capacity. Not only this, it has NVIDIA GeForce 940MX GPU with DDR5 2 GB of video memory to manage any graphics-demanding apps. This laptop is like water for programmers. It is necessary for C# developers and also for web developers because of all these astonishing features. Powered by a 2.7 GHz Intel Core i7-7500U dual-core processor and 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, it can efficiently multitask and instantly access frequently used files and programs. Furthermore, thanks to its dedicated NVIDIA GeForce 940MX graphics card with 2 GB of GDDR5 VRAM, you'll even be capable of enjoying some light gaming. Its 15.6-inch display highlights a 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution for crisp and sharp content reproduction. With the HDMI port, you'll be able to connect an external display for intensified multitasking and larger viewing. The Dell XPS 15 is an excellent piece of designing that fundamentally has all the basic things that any computer programmer requires in a laptop for programming in 2020. It's truly an amazing product when it comes to performance and portability. The performance for every I/O operation is enhanced by SSD, especially related to laptops that use an HDD. Along with performance, this laptop boots quicker. The best programming laptop files and script programs that demand to read and write to disk process faster, and scripts will compile much faster than on an HDD. The 15.6-inch display highlights a UHD 4K 3840 by 2160 resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio. The screen also emphasizes in-plane switching technology for more extensive viewing angles. The screen also has multi-touch support. You can also output to an external display through the HDMI port, and the system is powered by an 8th gen Coffee Lake 2.9 GHz Intel Core i9-8950HK 6-core processor. Programmers enjoy performance and speed. This laptop has all the most beneficial features, which make it an ideal choice for people who operate as a full-stack programmer. The combination of Intel i5 processor and DDR4 12GB RAM allows this laptop to manage application development, Hadoop programming, including games or Android coding. The storage includes 128GB SSD and 1TB SATA hard drive, which is vital for people who operate as big data developers. It is a business and security-oriented system created for the on-the-go professional. To guarantee your security, it's provided with Windows 10 Pro, a fingerprint reader, and a TPM, Trusted Platform Module chip, which encrypts your data. For performance, it has a 2.5 GHz Intel Core i5-7200U dual-core processor and 8GB of DDR4 RAM, which lets you effectively multitask. Its 15.6-inch display highlights a 1920 by 1080 resolution and is constructed on an IPS panel, which offers bright colors and broad viewing angles so that you can experience crisp and clear HD content. Now, coming to the best product on the list, we have the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. It features a 16-inch Retina display, a 6-speaker high-fidelity sound system, a Magic Keyboard with a redesigned scissor mechanism, and advanced thermal design. This MacBook Pro also highlights an AMD Radeon Pro 5500M graphics card, a 7nm mobile discrete GPU intended for Pro users. With 8GB of GDDR6 VRAM, Pro users will be capable of tackling GPU-intensive tasks with this MacBook Pro. The 16-inch Retina display has a 3072 by 1920 resolution at 226 ppi, as well as 500 nits of illumination. It also supports the P3 broad color gamut, which enables for more vibrant colors. This guarantees true-to-life pictures with realistically vivid details, which are crucial for graphic design, editing, and color grading. With True Tone technology, the white balance automatically adapts to match the color temperature of the light around you for more natural viewing reality. The keyboard on this MacBook Pro has a redesigned scissor mechanism that gives 1mm of key travel, as well as an Apple-designed rubber dome that stores more potential energy for sensitive key press. There's also a physical escape key and an inverted T pattern for the arrow keys.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.